Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from brameshtechanalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty Bank Nifty analysis because we are nearing an important Gann cycle, and I'll take an example of stock also, which is Reliance, which is the highest weightage in Nifty. I hope all of you are doing good, and I wish you all a very happy and prosperous and a healthy new year ahead. Gann used to focus a lot on price and time cycles. So today we'll discuss one of the time cycles which Gann used to do, used to follow, and how it can be applied in markets and how you can trade them. These levels are valid throughout the year. Gann focused on one important thing, which is, if you want to forecast the future, you need to analyze and, understand what has happened in the past. Now we had three major, bull runs in the market. The first one was during the Harshad Mehta time. Second was the dot-com bubble or the 2000, Ketan Parekh scam, which is known for. And the third was the financial crisis in 2008. And this was the top which we made on 8 January 2008. We almost had a 63% fall from the top. So what we have to do is we need to focus on a major swing high and swing low, a major swing high which is historic in nature, like 8 January 2008 when we made a major top, or 26 October 2008 where we made a major bottom 2251 of the bear run. So basically what we do is we take a major high which is here, and we add uh, you know 2013, which is 5-year cycle. 10-year cycle will be 2018, and 13-year cycle will be 2021. So there are various cycles which Gann used to do focus on. These are the some important cycle: 5, 10, and 13 years. So what we will do is we'll add 5 years to this, so which will come to 8 January 2013. So we'll go and see what has happened there. So I'm just 8 to 2013. So 8 January 2013. Now, just to reiterate, like what we are discussing is not holy grail. So I want to discuss some examples where the strategy didn't work also immediately. I mean, these are cycles, they work over a period of time. Sometimes they work immediately, sometimes, they take some time to work on. So this is specifically, that is why I took 8 January 2008 to explain you this. Now, having said that, you can use this on major swing highs and swing lows and test it by yourself and see how it is performing. So what I generally do is I note down the high and low of this particular date of the instrument which we are tracking. So the high was 6007 and low is 5964. So let's draw two lines: 6007 and the low was 5964 of 8 January 2013. So we have marked it. Now you can see the next 2 to 3 days it was just sideways. It broke out of this range. It did a good target on upside. And see here, once it break down, you can see here one time we had a good fall, second time we had a good fall, third time we had a good fall. So this particular levels can be used throughout. See here. Now once it crossed it, a major level, an up move came. Generally, my targets is generally 300 to 400 points in Nifty on upside, and on downside also 300 to 400 points. Then we trail the position. So you get multiple trades during an year with these particular levels, and you will get big move. See here, this was a big move. So we can use it immediately. Now why we took this as an example. We didn't see an immediate turn in the trend. Market frustrated us, but when it gave 2 3 times, we had a major fall from those levels. Similarly, now I'll go to 2018, which will be 10-year cycle. And if you can see here, from here we got a major up move in the next few days only. This was 8 January, bottom was formed and a big up move was launched. My minimum target is 3%, and after that we trail our positions using classical technical analysis. Now if I do the same thing to 2013 years will be 2021, which will be coming which will come tomorrow. So note down tomorrow's high and low for the next move in the market. Having said that, 14,250 is an important Gann resistance level. If this is, and once we start closing below 1403, 14025, we can see a fall all the way till 13,824, within next 3 to 4 trading sessions only. The important thing is closing below 14,025. Now on the upside, 14,256. If it is breached, another rally till 14,400 to 14,555 is what we are looking at. So this is about Nifty. Similarly, I'll give an example of Bank Nifty. Now, Bank Nifty made a major top on 14 Jan 2018. So we'll add, 5 years to this. It will come to 14 January 2013. Again, you can see here it made a major top here, and from there this 14 January, this was 15th, so 14th, yeah, 15th it made a major top, and from there a good fall came in. Similarly, if I can go for 14 Jan 2018, which will be 10-year cycle, again a big rally was launched here. And now I'll take an example of Reliance. So remember, for 14 Jan 2021 is an important day for Bank Nifty also. Now let's take Reliance. It made a top here on 15 Jan 2008. So add 5 years to this will become 15 Jan 2013. Simple concepts, and uh, it was a major bottom, and from there a good rally was launched in the market. I mean, impulsive move was launched. Either it will launch an impulsive move, or it will, and these levels are valid throughout the, throughout the year, as and when it comes. 15 Jan 2018. It was a major top, small top, and after that, see here, if I draw this from this high, we had a major high here also. So this is how it is, a simple technique, at least to get a reference level, and based on that we can plan our trade. So watch out for 14 January 2021 for Bank Nifty, 15 January 2021 for Reliance, and 8 January 2008 for Nifty. These are the three important dates. You guys can go ahead and see how market has performed, and let's see, trade with a proper risk management, trade with right position size, and I wish you the best for this new year. May you, trade with discipline and make a lot of money in the market. Follow process, outcome will obviously come. Thank you guys. uh, Take care.